How do I remove/delete a folder that is not empty? I am getting an access is denied error when I attempt to delete a folder that is not empty. I use the following command in my attempt, os.remove/folder_name. What is the most effective way of removing/deleting a folder/directory that is not empty?
Standard library reference, shuttle.remtree. By design, remtree fails on folder trees containing read-only files. If you want the folder to be deleted regardless of whether it contains read-only files, then use
From the Python docs on os.walk.
From Python 3.4 you may use where pth is a pathlib.path instance. Nice, but may not be the fastest.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.